Welcome to the AAAPOS Webstore Manager tutorial. Section 6B, How to create a Nutrien Ag CRT purchase order in AAAPOS Webstore Manager. This section of the tutorial will help you to create a Nutrien Ag CRT purchase order in AAAPOS Webstore Manager. Open AAAPOS Webstore Manager and select Manage. Then select Nutrien CRT Purchase Orders. Now select New. If you have multiple locations, choose the location that you want to raise a purchase order for. You can also choose your preferred distribution centers. Now in the Enter Text to Search area, type a word, a supplier, a category, etc., that you are looking for. For example, fence, and select Enter. This will show all products related to fencing. You can also search for a second word, for example Gallagher, being the brand of the product in fencing. Please note, you can search for any word in the description of a product. You can now see your search results, which can be broken up into Rewards Program, Category 1, Category 2, Supplier's Name, and Warehouse, depending on your search results. You can also type in a word in the Filter by Area to narrow down your search results. For example, Energizer, or you can select the supplier's name. You can now see a breakdown for that word. If you are interested in purchasing Energizers, just double left-click on that category, which will then add it to the search criteria. You will now have the breakdown for fence, then Gallagher being the supplier, and Energizers. You will now see the locations of the products, Energizers, with Gallagher being the brand. At any time, you can double-click on a search term to remove it, or select the word, then press Delete on your keyboard. You can now view the products for that supplier, the number of products per page, and how many pages there are. You also have the ability to search for in-stock items, search by supplier code, barcode, item code and product name. Once you find the item that you are looking for, just select the plus button to see the item's availability at the various locations. Now add your order quantity, press Enter, and this will add the item to the cart. Please note, if your order for a product is below the minimum order quantity required by the supplier, the product will automatically be adjusted to the supplier's required order quantity. Now just repeat the previous steps to find and add products to your cart. Once you have added everything to your cart, go to the Cart tab. Please note, you can always walk away and close the software and your items will stay in the cart until you place the purchase order. If you change your mind, you can always remove an item from the cart by selecting the red X. You can also do one purchase order at a time. You don't have to do everything at once. A separate purchase order will be created in RetailManager for each supplier and each location. In your cart you will see your orders for each location and each supplier. You can create your purchase order number, delivery date, and your preferred shipping method. You can also choose your own shipping method and enter the transport name, address, and any special instructions. Once you have done this, you can then select the plus button, and you will see any supplier warnings. For example, if the minimum order is not reached, a surcharge may apply, and you can adjust your quantities accordingly. You can also add in a discount for that product. Just select the picture of the pencil, and now you can add a discount amount on the unit price, or a percentage discount. You can then add your non-standard order quantity, and any special instructions, for example, authorized by Dave in the accounts department. The next step is to match the Nutrien Ag CRT product to your RetailManager product. Please note, you will only have to do this once. All future orders for this product will automatically be matched to RetailManager. AAAPOS Webstore Manager will automatically match existing products between RetailManager and Nutrien Ag CRT by barcode and supplier code. Always double-check this in case you have used the barcode or supplier code for an unrelated product. Just select the picture of the binoculars, and you can then search by supplier and/or product barcode, description, etc. You also have the option to add the image to an existing or new product. This is ideal if you are planning to add the product to your website using AAAPOS Webstore Manager. If the item or supplier doesn't exist in your RetailManager shopfront, you have the option to create it in RetailManager. Just select Add New Stock Supplier. Now just enter all the information for the new stock item and supplier if required. If the supplier already exists, just find that existing supplier when creating the new stock item. Please note, you can enter the sale price when you do the goods received. Once you have completed creating the new supplier or product, select Add, and then select Return Selected Items, which will then take you back to your cart. You can now see that the RM stock barcode and RM supplier is created and matched to the Nutrien Ag CRT product. Now you are ready to place your order. Just select the options, override the supplier minimum order value, and accept the Nutrien Ag CRT terms of use. And then select Place Orders and say yes to create the purchase order or orders. When you place an order, you will notice the console working away at the bottom of your screen. The console shows you that it is transmitting your order to the Nutrien Ag CRT online ordering system, and will also inform you of any errors that may occur. Once finished, you will see your order change to green, and you will also now see the Nutrien Ag CRT purchase order number. If the order changes to red, this means that the order has been uploaded, but no purchase order number has been received from Nutrien Ag CRT. Just select Place Order again, and this will then get the missing Nutrien Ag CRT order number. You will now be able to see the purchase order in RetailManager and any new suppliers or stock items that you have created. You can also see the order in AAAPOS Webstore Manager. Just select Orders and then refresh. The order is also available to view and print directly on the Nutrien Ag CRT website. When the goods and invoice arrives, all you need to do is convert the purchase order to a goods receive in RetailManager. You will not have to receive the goods manually anymore, now saving you many hours of double handling orders. Please note, if you have just created new stock items or suppliers in RetailManager, but cannot see them in AAAPOS Webstore Manager, just select Manage, then reset Shopfront Lists for stock and supplier.